Most people swipe their debit cards and they get absolutely nothing. But what if every bill that you paid earned you free cash or free flights or even a higher credit score? That's right. Using credit cards the right way can completely change your financial life forever. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it safely, even if you're rebuilding from bad credit. My name is Calvin Russell, and I'm a FICO certified credit strategist and founder of 850 Club Credit. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use credit cards to your advantage, but not only that, how to build credit, earn rewards, and get perks that banks don't want you to know about or take advantage of, okay? And also, if you're serious, I'm talking serious, about increasing your credit score, qualifying for home ownership, or even lowering your car payment, check out my private credit community where people just like you are seeing results fast. Scan the QR code right here on your screen or click the link in the description below. Now let's be honest. Most people think credit cards are dangerous, whether it's because you don't know too much about them or your parents told you, and yeah, they can be, but that's if you use them the wrong way. But here's the truth. Debit cards do nothing for your credit and you get zero rewards. Credit cards, on the other hand, can build your credit history, increase your credit score, and give you cash back or even travel perks. Now, you just have to know how to play the game. And it all starts with your first credit card. It's one of the best starter cards out there because it helps rebuild credit without charging crazy fees. You can even get approved with fair or low credit. Now, some people have to start with a secured version where you put down $49, $100, or $200, but that deposit will come back to you once your credit starts to improve. The only time that they'll deny you is if you had a Capital One card before in the past and you didn't pay them. Now, once you're approved, here's what you do. Number one, turn on auto pay right away. Now, why do you want to do this? To make sure that your bills are paid on time and you don't have to worry if you're going to miss something or not. Number two, use the card for small bills like Netflix or your phone bill or Apple Music, something that you pay every single month. Number three, keep your spending under 10% of your credit limit. So for example, if your limit is, let's say, $300, try to stay around $30 or less at a time. Then pay your balance off every single week or daily if you can. Doing that is going to keep your utilization low, and it's going to help you increase your credit score a lot faster. Now, after about 6 months of doing this with consistent payments, you'll likely get upgraded to Capital One Quicksilver. Now, this is when the fun starts, and you could do this with a lot of other banks as well too, but a lot of people start with Capital One because now you're earning 1% cash back on every single purchase. So the gas that you put in your car, the groceries that you buy every week, your bills, it all earns you cash. And you can redeem that cash at any time to lower your balance or to even deposit it into your bank account. And by the way, if you want a step-by-step strategy to increase your credit score fast, download my free credit guide right now. It's in the description below, or you can scan the QR code right here on your screen. And also, if you're finding this video helpful and you want more real credit tips like this, subscribe to the channel today and turn on your notifications. Now, once your credit score improves a little bit, your next move is a Discover It Cashback card. This one's perfect for people who built some positive history along the way, and here's why. Discover is going to give you 5% cash back in rotating categories. So that's like when you go to the gas station, when you go to restaurants, or even Amazon. And every few months they change it up as well too. And here's the best part. For your first year, Discover is going to match all of your cash back, okay? So if you earn $200 in rewards, they'll give you another $200. That's free money just by using your credit card wisely. So what can you use that for? You can use it for bills you already pay anyway, like your internet bill, your phone bill, streaming services, and always pay it off weekly or with each paycheck. That's the key. Treat it just like a debit card that builds your credit and it pays you back. Once you've proven that you can manage a few cards responsibly, you'll want to move into the reward and travel cards like American Express, like Barclays, Bank of America, and the list goes on. Now, I know some people think that American Express is only for like rich people or people that have super high credit scores, and that's not true. They have entry-level cards like the American Express Blue Cash Everyday that doesn't require a perfect score, and it also doesn't come with an annual fee. You'll earn 3% cash back on groceries, 3% on gas, and 1% on everything else. And once you get comfortable, then you can level up to other cards like the Amex Gold or the Amex Platinum, for example. Those give you membership rewards points, and those points you can use for free flights, hotel stays, or even to cover everyday expenses with your cash back as well. Now imagine this, you're paying your phone bill, your car insurance, your groceries, and by the end of the year, you've earned enough points to fly somewhere for free. That's the power of spending smart and using your credit card the right way. But let me be clear, this only works if you use your credit cards this way and responsibly. Never swipe more than what you have sitting in your bank account. That's a bad habit that you might start because credit cards are a tool, not a shortcut. Now, if you have a business, that might be a little bit different, but you don't want to go into debt. You want to use this as leverage. Turn on auto pay so you never miss a payment. Pay your cards weekly to keep your utilization low, and always check your balance before making big purchases. If you stay disciplined, your credit score will not only increase, but it's going to make your life a lot easier. So ideally, what do you want to do for the future? You want to have at least about 2 to 3, 3 to 4 credit cards if you feel comfortable, and this is over time. But here's how it works. You start off with something like Capital One Platinum. Whether you keep it in the future or not, that's up to you, but that's a great starter card to start with. Then you have a cashback card like Quicksilver or Discover. Trust me, they're going to find you and they're going to send you information and try to get you to do business with them. Then you go into a travel card like American Express, or even a business travel card as well too. And maybe even a store card or a credit union card if you are with a credit union or you frequent a certain store every single, year or so. Now together they create a mix that strengthens your credit profile, boosts your credit limit options, and gives you multiple reward streams as well. And remember, the goal isn't to use all of them, especially heavily. It shows that you can manage credit across multiple accounts responsibly. So again, that's where autopay is going to come in. So here's the game plan. Start small with the Capital One card, upgrade to Quicksilver for cash back, then move to Discover for bonus categories. These are just options, and this is a great way to start. Then you finally graduate to an American Express for points and flights. But along the way, auto pay everything. Pay everything on time, of course, pay weekly, and only spend what you already have. That's how you build strong credit and earn rewards doing what you already do. These are bills that you already have. Now, don't forget, grab your free credit guide below. And if you want hands-on help, join my private credit community to get your own credit strategy and be around people that are accomplishing the goals that you say you want to accomplish as well too. If you like this video, you'll love the next one, and I'll see you there.